I'm Dave Warner, I'm the lawn guy, and this is the TORO brushless battery powered chainsaw. Okay, before we go any further, I'd just like to thank TORO for giving me this equipment in return for making these videos. Just like everything in the PowerPlex range, it is all run off this lithium ion 40-volt battery, which just clips in like that. Of course, if you've got a bigger job and you need a little bit more runtime, you can upgrade from the T90 battery to the T180 battery, which is going to double your runtime. The great thing about this PowerPlex chainsaw is that you don't need any tools. As you notice, the chain here is very slack. First thing I'm going to do is just take the battery out, and then all I need to do is just loosen this and then tighten here, and as you can see the chain tightens. Tighten up, lock. Now because this PowerPlex chainsaw is battery powered, it's not going to run out of fuel. So to remind yourself to fill up with oil, you have a little gauge here so you can see exactly how much oil is in there so you don't end up running a dry chain. Now although this is battery powered, it can still be very bitey. So before we use it, the most important thing we do is use the correct PPE. Now the great thing about anything in the PowerPlex range means that if you're only an occasional user, like this chainsaw here, which may only be used once or twice a year, you haven't got to worry about storing fuels, and if you have fuels, whether they've gone stale or not. You can just pop the battery on charge, pop it in, and then you're ready to go. Could be that you just use it purely for logging up some firewood. It may be that you're in a garden with lots of trees, so storm damaged fallen branches is something that you regularly have to clear up, in which case then this is perfect. If you have a question about this PowerPlex chainsaw or anything in the PowerPlex range, then check out the link in the comment below.